Welcome to Gizmo Twist. In this video, we will unbox the Meilong 4x4x4 magnetic speed cube.
Yeah, the intro sucks. Sorry about that. I'm just experimenting. Let's go straight to the unboxing. MoYu Meilong 4x4 is a budget-friendly magnetic 4x4 speed cube from MoYu. What included in the box are screwdriver and the leaflet, the very small instruction for 4x4. Well, this one's really small. And also, there are pictures again. It has the QR codes to their official websites. And of course, the cube itself. It has a very good color. Let's see. Between the orange and red, very distinct colors. Blue and green, it's really okay too. And of course, the white and yellow. Let's try some T-perms. First on the outside pieces. Oops, lock-ups. You see that? Let's test for the inner pieces. Seems good. No lock-ups yet. So how did it happen? Let's test. Corner cutting is not great. It's really locked up very easily. Well, 4x4 is always like this. The reverse corner cut is great. Even the inner piece. This is really so bad. And as for the magnets, I think it's a little stronger than the RSM3M 2020, even in the inner pieces. Let's compare it with my GAN 460. There's still lockups, even the very expensive cubes, 4x4 cubes have lockups. I think it's really hard to remove the lockups for the 4x4s because it has very different mechanisms compared to the 3x3s. It doesn't have center. And as for the weight, this cube weighs 109 grams, 108, and the GAN 460 is 136 grams. Let's see how this goes in actual solves. And since I'm not fast, I'll fast forward this. I'm not really a fan of 4x4s because of the parities. My average in 4x4 is 1 minute, and I rarely practice nowadays, so I don't expect to improve on this. So far I'm not experiencing any lockups, so I think that's great. So far my times is not affected. Still the same as when I was using my main 4x4. Out of the 3 subs, I did not experience lockups, but that doesn't tell the whole story. I believe this is prone to corner twist too. In gun 460, it's really hard to corner twist. But here, I think accidental corner twist will be most likely to happen. Considering the price, I think this is a great cube, but I still believe that it is prone to corner twists and lockups, though I haven't experienced it during my solves. So I think that's good. And thank you for watching. If you want the full review, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.